Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can restore or make a USB bootable drive on your Android phone if you need to restore your PC, laptop or even Mac. So we will use a software that is called uh, etchDroid. I will give you link in the description. Also we will use etchDroid. So you can download this from Play Store directly. Open the etchDroid and now connect the USB drive to your Android phone. So after connecting the USB drive, I have a Linux image, so I will use ISO, and I have Linux Mint, so select Linux Mint and then select your USB drive. It will click OK. Now leave everything default as it is. Now click this download button and click on flash image. So this will start flashing an ISO image on your USB drive with Android phone. So you can see then you can see progress bar in your notification panel, and after this you can use this USB to make your system bootable or even install Windows or restore or whatever you want to use, like live USB boot and all the things you need on USB drive. So hope you like this. Keep sharing and keep caring.